Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Thank you for joining me again this week. We just got back from a little weekend excursion to our favorite town, which is Eureka Springs, Arkansas. I'll be honest with you, I hope to live there someday. We've got family that lives nearby and totally jealous every time we go. But if you're not familiar with Eureka Springs, it is a town that is very Victorian-esque. Lots of old, interesting buildings. It's nestled in the mountainside of the Ozarks. It's just a smelting pot for artisans and people that enjoy art and hands-on creativity, basically. But while I was there, to make this short and simple, I was really inspired by another local artisan blacksmith's work. And they used texturing dyes to do tree bark simulation. Just really cool. And it really kind of inspired me to try to, not necessarily copy, but to try to incorporate some of those into another item. And so that's what we're going to do today. It means this is kind of an experiment. I just wanted to do something that is going to be fairly simple. And so we're going to do a fire poker, but I want the top of it to kind of look like a, well, I mean, it's going to look like a branch for the most part, I hope. And then for the top of it, I thought we would do an oak leaf, maybe a couple of acorns. I have never made acorns before, so I'm going to be making this up as we go along. It should be a pretty cool build. As you can tell by my breath, it's extremely cold in the shop today, so I'm going to get the forge fired up, get it warmed up in here a little bit, and yeah, should be a fun build. Remember to hit that like button. Please subscribe. It greatly helps me out on the channel. Even just sharing. If you can share the video, take a few seconds, click over, share the video, tell your friends, say, hey, check this goofball out, and I really appreciate it. So, let's get started. much.